Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change email on Bluesky Social. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, make sure you're logged in to your Bluesky Social account on your browser or on your mobile app. Then what you're going to do, guys, you're going to come here at the top, left hand pane. You're going to scroll down and click on settings. Now here, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to click on account. And then you'll see this option right here. Here I can see my email that is listed, and you can come here. You can see this is verified. If I want to change email, I just come click here, change email, enter the new email address here below that I want to request a change to, then press on request change, guys. And what's actually going to happen is Bluesky will send an email to the email that is actually first linked, and they'll ask you to verify whether you want to go ahead with this change. And once you confirm it, guys, and you put in the code they give, then you'll be able to change your email. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.